Today, let's talk about a phone that's been making a lot of noise online, the OnePlus 13T. It's been popping up in leaks since the end of March, and with its official launch coming soon on April 24, people are getting really excited. So what's special about it? Let's break it down in simple terms. The first thing people are loving is the phone size. These days, most phones are huge, with big displays that can be hard to carry around. But the OnePlus 13T is different. It's got a 6.3-inch display, which is smaller than most flagship phones. That makes it easier to hold, easier to slip into your pocket, and better for people who don't like bulky devices. When you put the OnePlus 13T next to its bigger sibling, the OnePlus 13, you'll see the size difference right away. If you're someone who's tired of giant phones, this could be the perfect choice. Now let's talk about the design. While other brands like Vivo and Oppo are going for wild and fancy camera designs, the OnePlus 13T keeps it simple and classy. Some people even say it reminds them a little of the iPhone, and that's not a bad thing. It's clean, sleek, and feels premium without trying too hard to stand out. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is a beast. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, one of the best processors you'll find in any phone this year. That means you'll get smooth performance whether you're gaming, watching videos, or running heavy apps. And get this, it comes with a huge 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's more than what you get in phones like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. It means you can run tons of apps at the same time, play games smoothly, and never worry about slowdowns. The phone's benchmark scores are impressive too. Around 2,900 in single-core tests and almost 9,000 in multi-core tests. It's just a little behind the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but beats Apple's latest iPhone in multi-core performance. The graphics are great too. It uses the Adreno 830 GPU, which makes games look amazing and videos super sharp. And it'll come with Android 15 pre-installed, so you'll get the newest features and updates right away. Now let's move on to the cameras. The OnePlus 13T will have a 50-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera that can zoom up to 4x without losing image quality. That's pretty rare for a phone this size, and thanks to Oppo's smart camera software and a Snapdragon chip's advanced image processor, your photos will look sharp, colorful, and detailed, even in tricky lighting. And here's the part people are really loving. The battery. The OnePlus 13T will have a massive 6,200 mAh battery. For a phone this size and this powerful, that's huge. It means you can game, watch videos, and use your apps all day without worrying about charging. So, to wrap it up, the OnePlus 13T is looking like the small flagship phone a lot of people have been waiting for. It's got a sleek design, top-tier performance, awesome cameras, and incredible battery life, all in a compact, easy-to-carry size. And with the official reveal coming on April 24, we don't have long to wait. I'll be covering everything when it drops, so don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.